Hi, I'm WLKY meteorologist Suzanne Horgan. For this weekend, very windy conditions for today with winds gusting anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 50s for both today and tomorrow. We are going to be looking at the risk of perhaps a spotty shower mainly for our northern and eastern communities for today. Then tomorrow morning, the potential to see a freeze in some areas as temperatures plummet. As we head throughout the day today, you'll notice a little bit of cloud cover moving in from the north and from the east. And again, this could bring us a spotty shower primarily to sections of Jennings County, Jefferson County, Indiana, perhaps into Henry, Trimble, and Carroll counties as well. As a whole, most locations will certainly be able to stay dry. The wind will be the big story for us today, then the cold conditions for tonight as our skies clear out. And it does look like our winds will also die down once we set that sun tonight. So we will be looking at cold conditions outside the metro. Most likely we'll have temperatures dip below freezing. So if you've already done some planting, certainly you need to take precautions to protect those plants. Okay, so as we take a look at your forecast for Sunday, I think we'll see some nice sunshine. Temperatures staying a little bit on the cool side with highs recovering into the upper 50s once again. More cloud cover on Monday, but it should be a milder day with temperatures reaching highs in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. But for today, again, temperatures right around 59 degrees, gusts to about 40 to 45 miles per hour. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We are looking at temperatures in the upper 50s this weekend, 70 on Monday. Lower 50s on Tuesday. Then as we head into your Wednesday, we're in the lower 60s, but a chance of showers on both your Wednesday and also on Thursday.